everyone, I'm Esther Kovac, co-founder of DroneTalks, and today I would like to announce a new collaboration with Barcelona Drone Center. We designed a one-week course with the Barcelona Drone Center co-founders where we will visit their facilities and teach about SORA and the current drone regulation, including use space, during a one-week intensive training course. You should check out the link here in the description for the agenda and for the details. So the training is designed to understand SORA with the 2.5 edition, also to understand the European drone regulation, the use space regulation, and of course the American regulatory framework. On the other hand, after every day, we design some free time activities such as vineyard visit and others in the Barcelona region. We are very excited to have this training in collaboration with the Barcelona Drone Center, and we are looking forward to kickstart our first whole week training course in Spain.